Good morning, everybody. All right, we are out here at the Dog Mountain Trail. About almost 4 miles, one way up. This is going to be outstanding. It is a gorgeous day. Check out this shot from the Oregon side view. It's going to be awesome. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to check the comments below for my link to the American Lung Association's 2024 Climb for Clean Air. Please donate if you can. Every little bit helps. Enjoy the journey. We're at another fork in the road. What's up? All right, so we're almost up to the summit. Stick for the rest of the journey. This is going to be outstanding. Just wanted to take a moment and share some of this amazing view down the Columbia River Gorge from Dog Mountain. Thank you very much for all of your support, for joining the journey. Make sure you click the link below, go to the address for my American Lung Association 2024 Climb for Clean Air page. Thank you very much for joining the journey and for helping any way you can. So we're at the top. This cup goes out to everybody who fights every day and who has fought in the past to preserve all of this. This is absolutely gorgeous. This cup is for you. come around the corner and wow. All right, so we're all wrapped up. We're back at the vehicles and heading out. This was amazing. Low 70s, beautiful day, absolutely spotless sky. Top of the mountain, we were able to see Mount Hood, Mount Defiance. It was just outstanding. Fantastic show up of just some amazing people. So everybody, thank you very much again for joining the journey. Read the comments below, please donate. Also check out the rest of my YouTube videos of all of our practice hikes as we continue to work our way to summit Mount Hood with the American Lung Association's 2024 Climb for Clean Air. Don't forget to donate. Everything and anything is helpful. Again, thank you very much. Everybody have an amazing week. Be safe, be well.